Hello students, welcome back to my channel Concepts with HP Sir. So as you had seen in the previous video, we had already discussed about all these laws regarding exponents and powers. So I have written them down again on the left hand side, and today we'll be discussing about some numericals based on these laws. So we'll be having a look on how to use these laws in solving our numericals. So the first question for today is 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2. So as you can see here, the power is negative, that is minus 2. So we'll be using the fifth condition, that when the power is negative, we can reciprocate the number or the base and the power becomes positive. So hence this question can be written as 3 to the power 2, that is equal to 9. Okay, so what I have done is, you can also write this question as 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2. So this 1 upon 3 is representing your A, and the power minus 2 becomes your M. Okay, so if we write down the formula again, that is A to the power minus M is equal to 1 upon A to the power M. Okay, so over here 1 by 3 reciprocal will be 3, and the power will become plus 2, which is equal to 9. I hope you have understood it. Let's move on to the next question. Well, it is 4 to the power minus 3. 4 to the power minus 3. So now again, using the same formula, we can write it as 1 upon 4 to the power 3, that is equal to 1 upon 64. So this will become 1 by 64. The next question, 4 to the power minus 5 multiplied by 4 to the power 10. Now to solve this question, we will be using the formula A to the power m into A to the power n is equal to A to the power m plus n. So when the base is same and the powers are different, we write the base and add the powers, that is m plus n. Hence this question can be written as 4 to the power minus 5 plus 10, that is equal to 4 to the power 5. So moving on to the next question. Now suppose you have to express the value of 4 to the power minus 3 in terms of base 2. So we have to express it in the terms of base 2. In that case, this 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2 and the external power is minus 3. Now this question is in the form of A to the power m to the power n is equal to A to the power m into n. So hence it can be written as 2 to the power 2 into minus 3, that means 2 to the power minus 6. Now the power is negative, so we will again use this formula. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon A to the power m. So hence the number will reciprocate, it will become 1 by 2 to the power 6, or you can write it as 1 upon 2 to the power 6, because 1 raised to any power is always equal to 1. So while solving such questions, you will have to mention the formulas at each step whenever you are using it. On the right hand side, always mention the formula that you are applying. The next question is, simplify 1 upon 8 into 3 to the power minus 3. So let me write down the question again. It is 1 upon 8 into 3 to the power minus 3. So the first step will be to express 8 in the powers of 2. That will become 1 upon 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 3. Next, now 1 upon 2 to the power 3 can be written as 2 to the power minus 3 into 3 to the power minus 3. So again, over here we have used the formula that 1 upon a to the power m will be equal to a to the power minus m. So again, when we are reciprocating the base, the power will become negative. Now, in the next step, we can see that in both the numbers, the bases are different but the powers are same. Hence, we can write it as 2 into 3 to the power minus 3. So again, over here, the formula used is a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m. So when the bases are different but the powers are same, we can multiply the bases raised to the common power. So now the answer will become 6 raised to the power minus 3. So this is how the next question is. We have to find the value of m in the given expression. So the solution for this question will be, first we'll write down the expression again, that is minus 3 to the power m plus n into minus 3 to the power 5 is equal to minus 3 to the power 7. So again, in the first step, as you can see, the bases are same, the powers are different. So using the law, we can write minus 3 to the power m plus 1 plus 5. The powers will be added equal to minus 3 to the power 7. Just in case you don't remember the formula, well, we have used this formula that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So this is the formula I have used over here. So now it becomes minus 3 to the power m plus 6 is equal to minus 3 to the power 7. Now on the left hand side and on the right hand side, the bases are same, then the powers can be equated. So m plus 6 will be equal to 7. Therefore m equal to 7 minus 6, or you can say m equal to 1. So hence, for this given expression, the value of m will be 1. Okay. I hope all of you have understood the way of solving this question. In case you have any doubts, please do comment below the video and I'll get back to you. Well, the next topic we are going to cover is expansion using exponents. So, in our early classes like in 3rd, 4th or 5th, you all must have done this question of expansion where they say that suppose you have a number 1023, write it in expanded form, and all of you must have done this 1000 plus 0 plus 20 plus 3. That is the expanded form. Now, what in the case of decimals, suppose you have a number 1030.55. Now when you expand this number, you'll write it as 1000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 0 plus 5 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100. So this is the basic thing that you have done in your junior classes. Now in this chapter, what we'll do is we'll write it as 1000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 0 plus 5 into 10 ki power minus 1 plus 5 into 10 ki power minus 2. Okay. Then 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3 plus 0. 3 can be written as 3 into 10 to the power 1 plus 0 plus 5 into 10 ki power minus 1 plus 5 into 10 ki power minus 2. So this will be the way of expanding a given number in case of exponents. So over here, what I did was, the number was 5 by 10. So this 5 by 10 can be written as 5 into 1 upon 10. Hence you can say 5 into 10 ki power minus 1. And similarly, in case of 5 upon 100, you can say that this is 5 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to 5 into 1 upon 10 square, because 10 square is 100. So that becomes 5 into 10 ki power minus 2. So this is the way of expanding a given number or a given decimal number using exponents.